I have a beautiful little teacup Yorkie. His name is Harley, after Harley motorcycle. My left shoulder went kapooey. I wasn't able to put my arm up. Dr. Romine had to go in and do a complete reverse total shoulder reconstruction surgery. Within 3 months, he said, you're going to be able to put your hand on your head. I was able to put my hand on my head 2 weeks after surgery. Almost immediately, I was able to do things with it that I hadn't been able to in probably 2 years. He is awesome. His rapport with his patients, he takes the time with you. I'm going to be able to get my questions answered because he's going to take the time with me.